Hey everyone, it is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am super excited to introduce you to this sneak peek from Ditzy's Diamond Den, the newest amazing canvas provider for us diamond painters. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it came in this box, which came in a shipping box. And then I pulled it out because I didn't think you wanted all the crinkle, but it came in the saran wrap, whatever you call it. And then on the end of the box, it has the photo that we're going to go over. So if you are storing it, you know exactly what to do, what's in here, and when you need to grab it. So let's open this up. And this is perfect. This is coming out this weekend. You will not be disappointed. It's coming out, no, I think it's coming out Tuesday. Just go over there. Just go over there, right? And it is called Moonlit Stitchling by Serendipity. Which there's a huge serendipity event going on right now or about to go on. And so you need to go grab this. I am in love with the moon in this image. Here we go. Yes, that is the moon. And then we have the beautiful hair. And then look at these eyeballs. These eyeballs are like, I can see into your soul double time. It is eyeballs within the eyeballs. Yes, Serendipity knows how to do her artwork. This has 31 colors. It's a 60 by 78. Total drill count of 76,788 drills by the time you're done. And it has 8 special drills. Okay, so out of 31 colors, 8 of them are specials. That's unheard of in your percentage of specials. All right, so let's get close and personal. And this is what the image is. Moonlit Stitchling. Oh my goodness. She's just like ready to go to the best Halloween party ever. She has her eyes all made up. She's got her hair slicked back. She's got this beautiful bow tie that is actually a bat. I don't know. Is it her pet bat? You tell me. We're going to turn this around so you can see it. And then her pearl diamond-esque buttons. Absolutely stunning. And then, of course, you have the bats and the birds up here. And the moon is gorgeous. I cannot wait to look at where the specials are in this amazing painting. And these blues and this black just scream midnight. Just scream midnight. Yes. So I'm going to keep this right here. You get a print off sheet of what you're working with. So you have that. And then you have this amazing sticker sheet that you can label your containers with. Lately, though, I have been using Ditzy's drawers and sticking my baggies in the drawers, and I've been sticking this on the baggie so it's easy for me to grab and see. All right, I'm so excited. I don't know what I'm doing. So we're gonna dive in. First, you saw it before I did. You've got the canvas right here. Absolutely gorgeous. Fabric felt background. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! This is square. And then you've got this amazing drill field. Like even in those dark colors, you can totally see what you got going on there in that drill field. You've got a medium-sized plastic, which I love. It's not the flimsy plastic. And you've got poured glue. And it doesn't come too far out on the sides, so you're good with that. 31 colors right here. You've got in the upper left, and you've got in the lower right. You've also got Designed to Dazzle at the bottom. And then over here is your information of what this painting is and the thumbnail. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so you also have serged edges so that if your canvas decides to be naughty, like this girl's going to try to be, the serged edges will stop it. Absolutely. So we're going to open this up and we're going to see what's in here. Okay. So first, I love this. We have 154. Beautiful. This is all the 310 people. In this whole dark canvas, one bag of 310. And you've got 312, 317, 318. They're like playing cards, right? 2 bags of the 336, 1 bag of the 414. You've got a decent sized bag of the 415. You've got the 550, 642, 762. You've got 2 of those baggies. 791. 792, and then this is your big kahuna, 823. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. No, I'm sorry, 3 bags. Then you've got 930, and then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of your 939. And then here is your sprinkle of pink. So that will probably be right here. That is the 3687. You've got this beautiful 3750. 2 bags of the 3770. And then you've got 3787, 3799. And 3865. And for that one, you've got 2 bags, and then you've got the 5200. Then we dive into the 8 specials. So what do you do when you get really excited on a desk? You jump up on the desk and you do your thing, right? So let's dive in and see. Excuse me. So the first special is the Crystal 310. All right. And this special is going to be in the eyes and the outline of the buttons, in the stitches of the mouth, and the bats in the moon. So in these eyes right here, the stitches in the mouth, there's see, and then the bats in the moon. Yep, so that is going to be your crystal. Then you've got 25, which is your 318 AB right here. And this is going to be in the sky. So this is the twinkles up here in the sky. So right up here, up here, up here, and up here, it's going to give you a little sparkle sparkle. Okay, then you've got 26. So 26 is going to be a gray metallic, and that's going to be in the bat bow tie. So the gray metallics, U, and so right here, all in this area to really help the bat stick out. Oops, you're not even seeing it. Why didn't you say, Jen, you're off camera? The bat. Can't ignore the bat. So right here, just kind of outlines. Okay, then we got 27. This is the largest special you're going to have. This one is, can you guys guess what this is? Can you guess what this is? This is white glitter. Okay, white glitter. Where is this going to go? This is the moon, the moon. So anywhere you see these big white spots, right here, throughout here, over here, all of these white spots, basically it's a white symbol, square, is where this beautiful white glitter is going to go. Then you've got 28, which is your dust 318. And this is going to go in the hair and the outline of the hand. So this is a V. And here, yes, the V's are all through the hair, not the dark line, the darkest one. It's the second darkest one, gray through here. And then it's all down here. And then it outlines the hand to make it stand out as you go. All right, then we got 29, and this is in the eyes. This is pink fairy dust. So I was wrong. This is where this goes, right in here. And then there's, well, I was right and wrong. There's a little bit of pink right here for the non-special, but then that bright, brilliant pink you see is the fairy dust. Then we have 30, which is this 930, which I almost commented on when I showed you 930 because I love 930 as a special. So glad that the Sparkle crew at Ditzy's Diamond Den picked this as a special. 930 fairy dust. Now see how it has that glimmer, that little bit of glimmer instead of sparkle. Love that. This is in the bat bow tie and also in the jacket. So we've got the X. All right, so the X is over here in the bow tie. So these light blue things that you see are the X's. And then also all through the jacket. So these light blue it's going to shimmer. It's kind of like it's picking up the light from the glistening moon. So it's going to be fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. And then last but not least, you've got $37.99 fairy dust. And this goes in the background. This is a Y and it's right here. It's scattered a little bit over here, but it's mostly what it's doing is it's outlining the moon. So you're going to have your sparkle inside the moon, and then you're going to have this as it ombres the color out. It's going to be fabulous. Just fabulous. So these are all, considering there's only 31 colors in this painting, Serendipity first, love the painting. Fantastic job. Go rush out and buy it from Ditzy's Diamond Den. You've got to get it for the event. But then the specials are unreal. What is that? I can't even add in my head. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Let's do this together, right? Let's do this together. We're going to decide right now what percentage that is. So what percent is 8 of 31? We've got to figure this out together, people. I mean, seriously. Oh my gosh, 26%. 26%. Over a quarter of your drills are specials. Unbelievable for the price. Unbelievable. So go pick up Moonlit Stitchling by Serendipity. You're going to love it. 31 count, square, 8 specials, a 60 by 78. Not a bad size, especially if you're doing a September-October event. And you're going to absolutely love it. If you're a collector, you're going to want to grab this and you're going to want to grab it fast. So thank you so much, Ditzy Diamond Den, for giving us another amazing artist and an amazing piece to pick from. And I absolutely love these colors. Fantastic. Thank you, Serendipity, for sharing with us your artwork. And until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.